Okay, another milestone. The battery pack is done, or pretty much done. I've got all the batteries packed into the box, and I put vinyl tubing down all the edges, and even between them, there's like quarter-inch clear vinyl tubing, just to kind of shock mount everything. Um, so they're they're just sitting in there loose, but this tubing has tightened them up. At the end here, where these two terminals could touch the end wall, I put a piece of rubber down inside, so this rubber is going to flip over. This cable is going to come up through that hole, and then the positive cable has a 300 amp fuse on it. This controller is good for 300 amps, and I had this fuse sitting around, so this is going to go into here, and then the cover goes on, and I have a battery pack. So this is good. The controller is programmed. I have a battery pack. I'm going to mount this thing, and it might be motors turning soon.